welcome to Crafty.yarn.owl with Darla. I'm Darla. How are you all doing today? I'm doing well. Yeah. So I put up the new and improved version of that poncho I did, the Gentle Butterfly Poncho, I'm calling it. I don't know how I screwed up. I don't know. But anyway, the new one is up, and so go check that out. And I am actually making one in a one weight. Well, actually, my cat Minnie is making one in a one weight. She took over my channel yesterday. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, she was sitting on my knee holding my ball of yarn, and she was so cute. I took a picture, and then she was smelling it right at the red color, and I took a picture, and I thought, hey, there's a story developing here with these pictures. So yeah, I put it on my channel yesterday. I thought it was cute and, you know, kind of funny, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know a lot of you commented and said that you liked it, so yeah. So today's video is actually about the hashtag share along series that I'm doing. I just pop up a video every now and then when I find smaller channels that have tutorials, and I'll look through their tutorials and pick one out to make, and then I'll shout them out and I'll show them what I made from their design. And by smaller channels, this is supporting smaller channels. I mean channels that have anywhere from 1 subscriber to maybe 5,000, or maybe even higher than that. You know, I just want to share them out, put them out there so that you guys know they exist. I had a lot of help when I first started my channel. This is an amazing community, and so I'm just, you know, giving back, and I love to share out the smaller channels, and like I said, put them out there more so they can be found more and be discovered. And I mean, some of these smaller channels have amazing tutorials. They're amazing designers, and sometimes we go with the really big channels, and there's nothing wrong with that, because they do have more tutorials to choose from, but the smaller channels need, you know, they need our help, right? To get out there and be recognized for the amazing designs they do. So that's why I'm doing this, and so I'll do that as long as I'm on YouTube. And you know, they'll just show up. The share-alongs will just show up every now and then, right? So this channel that I'm shouting out today is called Crafty Crochet Gallery, and she has lots and lots of bag tutorials. I mean, if you want to make a bag, go to her. I don't know her name, but yeah, so the bag that I made from her channel is called Petal Stitch Crochet Sling Bag. Now it's like a purse style, and I would say, but she made hers taller. What I did was I used scrap yarn. Now I had a bag of scrap yarn. I'll put the picture right here, and I went through it and picked out some colors I thought would look kind of cool together, but I didn't have quite enough to make the bag as tall as she had hers, and I did the handle different than she did hers, but the body of it I did the same. So you want to see the bag? It is so cute. So I use like a, you know, just regular kitchen cotton yarn, and you could use your scraps for this too. And this is the bottom of it. You make a base for it. It is flat. Yeah, it is a flat bottom. And then you know, you continue on making these rows, and it's really pretty, really pretty. So I had this dark, it's like a dark red, I guess, and I had purple, and I had red, and I had this pink, and I thought that might look kind of cute. So mine, like I said, is smaller than hers. It's the same width as hers, but it's shorter. Did my handle different. I ran out of the purple, and I came close to running out of the other colors too, but I was able to make a handle just by putting the 3 colors together and crocheting a chain is what I did for the handle. So I thought it was really cute, and I really love this stitch. Like, it's the petal stitch. And I think it's really pretty. What do you guys think of this stitch? Yeah, so that's what I made of hers, and I have to say, like, her tutorial was really good. You could see what she was doing. She wrote up on the screen what she was doing, what the stitches were, and she has music playing. Now, if you're not one to like tutorials that have music playing, what I do is I just turn the volume right down and just watch the video, because her video is very clear in that, like I said, you can see what she's doing, you can see where she's putting the stitches, and then she has it written on the screen, you know, double crochet, you know, whatever the stitches are, she has it written on the screen. So it's a very good tutorial. So I hope you guys go over there and check her out. Of course, I'll link her below. I will link this particular tutorial below. Hers is, like I said, taller, and she did it in yellow, and I really like it. I really like it. All right, thank you everyone for joining me, and yeah, definitely check her out, guys, and just, you know, skim through all the bags she has tutorials for. It's amazing. They are beautiful. All right, so what's coming up on the channel? Well, I ordered some yarn. It's supposed to come in next week, Tuesday. Oh, yikes. I made an appointment for a haircut on Tuesday, but that's okay. It's should be here Tuesday, and it's kind of an experiment I was doing, so yeah, you'll see. You'll see. It's yeah, interesting, I think. So of course I'm working on another tutorial. I always am working on tutorials, always. And what would you like to see? I know, like, it's going into the fall. Are you looking for heavier items? Are you looking for, still looking for lighter items? I mean, it's depends on where you live in the world, right? Here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, our temperatures are higher than the normal for the beginning of September, although yesterday, I thought it was hot out yesterday. It was hot in my house. I went outside and it's like, brrr, it was a little chilly. It was around 72 Fahrenheit or something. But we've had it in the 80s, 90s recently. And anyway, so it's still warm mostly. Anyway, so what would you like to see on the channel? I guess for tutorials, I'm gonna, you know, take into consideration what you guys want to see, of course. And I'll put it on my list. Yeah, so thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.